Okay. Who do you want? Do you want me? Who else to go next?
You want to actually go next and try to catch up some speed.
Okay.
And then
Since I'm going to go twice.
Here. So do this one and then do last. Okay.
Okay.
Is that okay with you?
That's fine.
Okay. Who's your fit and you're fast.
She got a visor on.
Oh, good.
Yeah. Just remembers when she runs, the hat's going to want to blow off her head. That's what happened to Lori last year. Yeah, we didn't realize they were going to mix us up. Come on, Nico! She can come around us. Come on, Nico! She can go around. You can just whatever. Just get out of her way. Come on in. Come on. Okay, let her get off.
Dismount. Alright, good job. Yes, whatever.
Just whatever you guys think. And that's just like super short to get up. Okay. Watch out. Come on.
But Team Nico's catching up fast.
Ooh. He's tall. Ooh. Jesus. He's tall. Yeah.
It doesn't matter.
When you go to run, just leave that around your neck because it'll fly off your head. I didn't really need the crop.
Okay.
Just leg.
Okay.
He goes. He's got a good little go.
Oh, he's going well. Go, Mickey, go.
Woo. Come on. Go.
I think there's 14, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So we're going to the ribbon. Let's look at it that way. So lots of leg.
Lots of leg. What is that? I don't know. She has it on her head. Bandana? Hang on to that. Come on, Nico! Oh. Okay, who's next? Heather? That's the bandana. You got to tie that around your neck. I'm glad it stayed on.
All right. You want to hold that? We didn't do it.
Look out.
There we go. You can take that. Here, wait. Crop. Oh, I won't use it. It'll be alright. Alright.
Go, Heather!
I didn't know what it was, but
See? Leg.
I didn't feel like tying nothing around my neck, so I just put it on my neck.
Okay, so you tie. Okay, you're good. She's tied.
You're going twice?
Mm-hmm. Did you go already?
No, I'm not riding.
Oh, you're just here to help. Oh, okay. I was like, I thought, did we get another rider on our team?
My foot got stuck in the
Oh.
When I was dismounting, my foot got stuck in the snow. Are they winning or we? Can't tell.
They're ahead.
Yeah, what if the mounting blocks? There should have been 2 mounting blocks.
That would have helped, I know. It really would have helped.
Yeah, but there also should have been 2 mounting blocks.
Yeah. Oh, hey!
You can get her.
Oh. Okay, pop off. Oh,
I'm still together. Get him. Okay.
yeah, Nadia, come on. Okie dokie. They left the pants for me? Okay. I bet they're cute. All right, go. Come on. Pants. Oh. Clock still running?
Yep. Okay. Shots. Those are swim shorts.
They are. Oh my God. Yep, there's one.
Got it?
Got it?
Come on.
Go!